Hi, welcome back to HVAC for Life channel. In this video, we are going to see energy recovery wheel versus heat recovery wheel. What's the difference and which is better for your building? Before going to the video, please don't forget to subscribe HVAC for Life. Let's start. The main difference between HRV, heat recovery ventilation, and ERV, energy recovery ventilation, in HVAC is how they handle the transfer of heat and moisture between the incoming and outgoing air streams. HRV, heat recovery ventilation systems are designed to transfer heat between the incoming and outgoing air streams, but they do not transfer moisture. The heat exchange is accomplished through a heat exchanger, which is typically made of aluminum or another heat-conductive material. The heat exchanger is designed to transfer heat from the outgoing air stream to the incoming air stream, which helps to reduce the amount of energy needed to heat or cool the incoming air. ERV, energy recovery ventilation systems, on the other hand, are designed to transfer both heat and moisture between the incoming and outgoing air streams. In addition to the heat exchanger, ERVs also have a moisture exchange device, typically in the form of a special membrane. This allows for the transfer of both heat and moisture, which helps to maintain the desired level of humidity inside the building. In energy recovery ventilation, ERV systems, there are two types of wheels or heat exchangers that can be used for heat and moisture exchange: the sensible wheel and the latent wheel. The sensible wheel. The sensible wheel transfers heat only, without exchanging moisture. It is effective in transferring heat, but it does not help with moisture control. The latent wheel. The latent wheel transfers both heat and moisture. It is effective in both transferring heat and controlling moisture, but it is generally more expensive than the sensible wheel. The choice between the two types of wheels depends on the specific needs of the building and the climate conditions. Here is the comparison of the selection parameters for HRV and ERV. The choice between ERV and HRV systems can depend on the climate condition of the location where they will be used. In colder climates, HRV systems are often preferred because they recover heat from the exhaust air and preheat the incoming fresh air, reducing the load on the heating system. In warmer climates, ERV systems are often preferred because they recover both heat and moisture from the exhaust air and pre-cool and dehumidify the incoming fresh air, reducing the load on the cooling system. The control of heat recovery wheel. It is monitored by a rotation detector which determines the angular velocity of the core. This sensor, along with air temperature sensors installed on either side of the wheel in both air streams, feed back to a solid-state controller which instructs a variable frequency drive (VFD) connected to the wheel motor. This VFD commands the motor to speeds between a quarter and 20 rpm to most efficiently transfer total energy between the air streams. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to HVAC for Life channel, share with your friends and press notify icon for more HVAC related videos.